You don't have to break the bank to eat good food. This is better than eating out. Now, come let me show you how I made this stir fry beef. 99.9% of the ingredients used in this recipe, I have them at home. And I believe you watching this video right now, you also do. Now, let's get down to business. I've steamed the meat and it's all tender the way I love it. I'll go ahead and add oil, groundnut oil, my onions, bell pepper, I stir that as well as some spring onions, stir properly, then start adding my spices. Once I'm done adding all the spices, I'll stir them to incorporate properly into my veg. As we all know, right, spices is what brings out the taste of, your meal. So in this case, I'm adding everything that I have in the kitchen, including my frozen mixed veg, also my prawn. The veg and the prawn are already pre-cooked. I will give it a good stir, and guess what? I'm adding half tablespoon of sugar, then some soy sauce. You can skip this part if you're not a fan of soy sauce and sugar. I'll stir, then add my cooked beef. I'll stir again. Note, stir fry involves a lot of stirring. The next step for me is to add the chow mein. So this is a sauce that is used for stir fry. It's optional if you decide not to use it, it's fine. For me, I love to use my chow mein. Anyways, my stir fry is ready. It looks so tempting. I can't wait to have this with my white rice. I hope you enjoy this recipe and you're going to be making one. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Remember to like and comment. Bye.